History is not only written in books. It is carved into stone, etched into walls, and built into the monuments that shape cultural identity. But what happens when war turns these monuments into rubble? Across parts of the Middle East, centuries-old heritage sites have been damaged or destroyed by conflict. Mosques, temples, and ancient city gates that once stood for generations now exist only as fragments of memory and scattered stone. This destruction presents a profound ethical dilemma for architects, historians, and communities. Should these monuments be rebuilt to look exactly as they once did? Or should their ruins remain as a visible reminder of the violence that destroyed them? For decades, international preservation has been guided by principles that prioritize authenticity. One influential framework argues that restoration should protect original materials and avoid reconstruction that could create a false sense of history. According to this philosophy, rebuilding a destroyed monument entirely with modern materials risks turning heritage into imitation, a replica that looks ancient but is, in reality, brand new. Yet in post-conflict societies, the debate is not purely academic. For many communities, rebuilding monuments is not about architectural accuracy. It is about cultural survival. Reconstruction can restore a sense of identity, dignity, and continuity after trauma. When a destroyed landmark rises again, it may symbolize resilience and collective healing. This tension creates two competing ethical responsibilities. On one side is the duty to preserve historical truth, even if that truth includes destruction and loss. On the other is the responsibility to support living communities whose identities are deeply tied to the monuments that once defined their cities. As reconstruction projects continue across the region, preservation experts must confront a difficult question. Is rebuilding lost heritage an act of cultural restoration? Or does it risk erasing the very history it seeks to protect? In the landscapes shaped by conflict, every restored stone carries not just architectural weight, but moral responsibility.